how to use the Amiipad Wireless Controller. The game I'm going to be teaching you how to load it up on is Animal Crossing New Horizons. So loading in Amiibos into the Animal Crossing is pretty simple. So firstly, we're just going to go ahead and we're going to run all the way to the terminal, which I'm stuck. The terminal is in the main hall, that being the little ATM, in other words, the Nook stop. Okay, so accessing the Nook stop. So firstly, we're gonna go to the little Amiibo section that it gives us at the Nook stop. Invite a camper. Now firstly, we're gonna click this. And it's going to come up with this section. And before we hit yes I do, we're going to load in the Amiibo that we want. There's a PDF that comes with it straight from Amiipad. I recommend reading that one and following that. Let's get straight into it. So the first one we're going to do is get the green LED in. To get the green LED in, what we're going to do is we're going to press T and hold down T, which is this button. So we're going to hold that, and then we're going to press minus up here, this little minus one. And that's going to take us through the colors. So holding T and pressing minus, we're going to get through the colors until we get to the one that we selected and wanted, which was green in our case. Then to change these little lights down here at the bottom, what we're going to do is we're going to press T and plus, and that's going to take us through the light configuration at the bottom. So holding T and pressing the plus up here, and that takes us through the light configuration at the bottom. So we actually want the light at the second, so I'm just going to go back through all of the options. And we're there. So once we've done that, we're on the second one, and then to set it in, we're going to check which button we want to use to set it in, and what we're going to do is use the across button to set this one in. So to set it, we're going to hold down the T again, and then we're going to press the across button to the right. And that is going to set it in, and it's going to flash, and then we're good to go. We're going to press yes I do for the Amiibo, and we've selected in the one that we want with the color configuration. That's Kyle's Amiibo. Would you like to invite him to the campsite? Yes I do. Just to show you guys that he arrives all safe and sound. And there we have it, Kyle's Amiibo selected. I shall run to the campsite and show you guys that he has arrived all safe and sound, and then I will load one more in, and just to show you really how that works, and show you that the button that you're pressing to load in is exactly the one that it suggests. Okay, so there's Kyle. He's here. He's all safe and sound, arrived in my little town. Just to show you that all the Amiibos do truly work, and if we buy him a house, he will move in. Bye, Kyle. So I'll run back and show you guys one more, just to show you how that really works. So we're going to wait on this screen where it says yes I do, and we're going to set our Amiibo controller. To set this Amiibo controller, we are going to change first the LED light here at the top, and we want this color on blue. That is the Animal Crossing card I have selected from the PDF. So we are going to go through, and to change this color, we're going to press T down here, and we've got the minus up here. We're going to go through until we get to blue. That looks pretty blue to me. Super easy with the T and the minus. And then to change this bottom configuration down here, we are going to press the T down here. I'm going to press this T button, and we're going to press this plus button. And this is going to change the bottom configuration. See how that changed that? Okay. So now that we've got that all set up, all we need to do is go ahead and set this into the controller. So we're going to press T and hold down T, and we're going to press the across button. And that's going to make it flash. Therefore, we have now set that button configuration with that light. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to press yes. Marty's Amiibo. And that's how you get through your Amiibo selections. This has been Kurz. Like and subscribe, comment. Hopefully this video was useful and hopefully informative to any of your decisions. Cheers for watching. Bye guys, we're out.